Tyler. It's the daily.
Hey, I get you.
Queso mean cheese.
Go run the stairs out there.
Rapido, more rapido.
Can you tell him more?
Yeah.
Right over here. Oh.
Dorito fingers.
I know.
That's not very nice.
Getting ready to go. Chilling. You Tyler. Hey. You gotta bleep that one out. A lot of turns. Gonna go fast. See what we got. Hi Parker. Toyota Camry XSE. Down here in Mexico. Vamos. See. Gracias. Practice time. Try to climb through the right side this week too. It's a CO2 sensor. Make sure you're not How's that thing so hazy?
That helped, what, 0?
What?
That didn't help at all, did it?
No. It's not good.
Why'd you throw him up there?
I killed that tire.
You said you had right front lock up.
You listen.
Wait.
You listen, bro. Thanks. Thank you. Not very quick. Car drives good. Just don't have a lot of speed, so. Or rains at it. See what we can do for tomorrow. Went to wrestling last night. I think it's called Lucha Libre. Nacho Libre. Something like that. I had my mask. Got to see some cool wrestling. May have been a little bit better than WWE. Packed house. Freaking amazing atmosphere. Definitely one for the memories. And it was a good experience. Wish I could have got in the ring and body slammed some guys. Might have been a little small compared to the guys that were in the ring. They're like 260, 280, pretty big guys, but would have been fun.
Oh, if it's going to get up hurt,
I don't know. That's why they take Travis. Jacob the big bucks.
I get a drive?
Yeah. Sid.
Yeah.
I'm driving.
Perfect.
I would love to see that.
Are you spotting?
No, he's the crew chief.
You might be
T-Mac's gonna be the front wheel changer he practiced at the shop the other day.
Yeah.
Just because I'm old and can't see doesn't mean I can't drive.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
72.
The scariest part of running here, and I didn't see that until we got the pace car.
All I got. Got a lot of work to do.
They're going to be through here.
Yeah, Mexico has been a lot of fun. NASCAR has done a great job. The Raceway has done a great job as well. Super excited for the race today, see what we can put together. The racetrack is really neat. I think that there's going to be a couple passing zones. I'm really hoping for rain, so hopefully it rains a little bit or a lot, either way. But it's been really cool. Really neat city, being able to come down here, different country, making history down here. So super stoked to be a part of the field, and hopefully we can have a really good run today. Patience.
Yeah.
Patience. Just got to be patient the whole time. Driving through the field, take them one spot at a time, and see what we can do. Solid day.
Earthquake!
That's great. You got to put that in.
I left my Sharpie in the truck. Yeah. I go grab a Sharpie.
Yeah. Might poop myself.
Talk to you Taylor this weekend?
Stomach.
Off the 45 of Reddick. The 42 of John Hunter Nemechek. Here he is once again running inside the top 6 with just a couple laps to go.
Solid 5th place, or solid, restart this. Solid 6th place finish for us. Obviously we wanted 5th, we were running 5th there, got past with like 2 to go from 71. He just had more to drive than we did. I was struggling there at the end, kind of just trying to hold on, but hats off to all the guys, proud of the effort, starting 32nd. Thanks, not feeling too great. Thanks, Jimmy, for everything that you texted me yesterday. Kept my head in it. I don't know, solid day. I can't say really anything else. Proud of the way that we executed after the last few weeks. It's been tough, so it was a good point to stay for us.